Welcome traders, how's everyone doing? Okay, let's get started with today's technicals. So what can we see? We can see that price has gradually approached a point of interest. We've taken out these lows. We're now expecting these lows to be taken out for a potential rally as plan A, but we also have plan B. We've got one tap, two tap, and a third tap that's in confluence with some unfilled liquidity on the smaller time frames. And the rally to the upside, and the rally to the upside, and the rally to the upside on DXY. So right now I'm bearish short term on the DXY. The reason being is if we zoom in to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? We can see there's been strong bearish momentum and a flag correction. So now I'm expecting a continuation of this trend, which should be in confluence with the first level of this support here to the left. So what's happened now is that price, as forecasted, we did expect a potential small stop hunt of this Fibonacci level, and we have got it now. We now have a close back inside the trend line. This is a potential retest of the trend line and a continuation. So this is what I'm seeing right now on the dollar. If we dash in Fib, we can see everything's in confluence. We've got A, B, C at the 61 and D at the D extension. So this is the game plan right now on the DXY, but everything can change when the Euro news is released, simply because price could easily break this trend line, tap this level 1, 2 and 3 on some unfilled liquidity and then drop. So we've got plan B on our cards, but we currently have plan A, which is 1, 2, break and retest and a continuation. So right now this is what I'm seeing on the DXY. Next on the list is dollar yen. So with dollar yen, it's really straightforward. It's one of my favorite schematics, which is the double bottom. Let's do this again. We've got a double bottom, a break of the double bottom, break of the double bottom, and we've got some compression. Once we get the compression and we trap traders on the wrong side, then we can get a rally to the upside. So right now on dollar yen, it's looking pretty interesting. I'm just waiting for further confirmation for a rally. I'm not interested in catching any longs here. However, I would be monitoring price action once it approaches 1, 2 and 3 on some potential liquidity levels approximately around here. So this could be the game plan for dollar yen. Could get a rally back up to the previous high. If this doesn't come, it's fine. I'm also prepared for a strong commitment from the buyers. Then I can catch a pullback, find some equal lows, stop hunt, and then a rally to the upside. So this is the game plan for dollar yen, keeping it simple. Not much else to add, as it's really just developing. We need time for this market to show its hard cans. So that's it. Next on the list is Kiwi CAD. Okay, Kiwi CAD is a trade we forecasted. We did also anticipate a stop hunt of my entry. Since we got in here at this blue line, I included a 2-pip spread. Now, I was expecting a stop hunt of my level simply because of structure, as you can see. First of all, it's compressing. I set my order. It then formed a bullish flag. Then I was prepared for a stop hunt of either my entry or this outer structure. But I had a very wide stop this time, and I had it above this liquidity level simply because there was lots of news on CAD yesterday, and it wasn't really clear for me to have a tight stop loss above my entries. It's normally my stop losses are something like this. So fortunately enough, I didn't do that, but this is because there wasn't enough information for me to have a tight stop. So right now on Kiwi CAD, everything's going according to plan. I just need to remain patient. You know, what could happen next if you guys are in this is, okay, we could get a retest and a drop, or we could even get something like this and tap some levels of liquidity here, take out traders that are placing a stops on break even, and then we can get a further drop. So many options are on our cards right now. I don't really like the breakout. There's not much momentum. It's just one strong bearish candle, but we need further commitment. So I'm expecting some form of a strong pullback sometime next week, but let's see what happens. We need time for it to develop. This is take profit 1. If we go to the daily time frame, the main take profit will be down here, but I need to be scaling out minimum take profit 1 at this, and then slowly scale out to the start of the pattern, which is the start of this larger pattern. So the long-term trade on Kiwi CAD is a 15-hour trade, but I'm not interested in that. I'd rather get out 80% of my entry at take profit 1, which is to take out these equal lows. So that's it for today, guys. Keeping it simple. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.